In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a website in Google Chrome. If you've ever found a page you don't want to lose, bookmarking is the simplest way to keep it one click away. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each option means, and share a few practical tips so your bookmarks stay neat and easy to find. Start by navigating to the page you want to save. Once you're there, look to the far right side of the address bar, the box where the website link appears. You'll see a small star icon. That's the bookmark button. Click it. This tells Chrome you want to save the current page so you can return to it later without typing the address again. When you click the star, a small window pops up. This is where you can tidy things up before saving. First, you'll see a field for the name. You can keep the default, but shortening it is often helpful. A concise name makes each bookmark take up less space and keeps your bar readable. Think docs, bank, or recipe instead of a long automatic title. You'll also see a folder option. Make sure it's set to Bookmarks bar. The Bookmarks bar is the horizontal strip at the top of Chrome, directly beneath the address bar, where your saved pages appear for quick access. Confirm that selection, then click Done. That's it. The page is saved. If you want to be even faster, you can skip the mouse altogether. Press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This opens the very same pop-up window you just saw. From there, you can still shorten the name, verify the folder is set to Bookmarks bar, and hit Done. It's the exact same result with fewer clicks. Once saved, your site will appear right at the top of your browser on the Bookmarks bar. You can organize it just by clicking and dragging. Hold the mouse button on the bookmark and slide it left or right to rearrange. Place your most important sites toward the left for easier reach, and group similar ones together so your eyes know exactly where to look. As you drag, a small indicator shows where the bookmark will land, making it simple to position things precisely. And that's the whole process. Click the star, give it a clean name, confirm the Bookmarks bar, hit Done, or use Ctrl and D for speed, then drag to arrange. With just these steps, your favorite sites are always a single click away.